Hello, Christina here and welcome to my cake studio. We're making easy fondant leaves without cutters. You just need a craft knife, and if you don't have one you can grab something from the kitchen. We're making runner bean style leaf, a bird of paradise leaf and a rose leaf stem. But this tutorial isn't really about flowers or foliage, it's about the modelling techniques that you can use across all of your fondant decorations. The most important step is rolling a perfect crease-free ball. If you skip that, you'll get cracks later and it won't look professional. Here's the clever bit. The centre of the leaf stays slightly thicker while the edges go fine. That happens because we flatten the cone using the palm of our hand. The softness of the palm wraps around the paste and naturally thins the edges. That's what gives the leaf the realistic finish and lets you bend and shape it, and it holds its form. Here's a tip. If you have hot hands, use the palm of your hand against the table. But if you've got cooler hands like myself, you can press it between both of your palms in your hand. If you want to learn more modelling techniques like this for your fondant decorations, grab your sugar modelling starter kit in the description below. Bonus tip. If you want to learn how to wire these leaves, stay to the end and I'll show you a super easy method. Anyway, that's enough from me. This is super easy. Grab some paste and give it a go. Remember, watching me do it shows what's possible, but you doing it makes it possible for yourself. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments if you've liked it or if there's anything you'd want me to teach you in the future.